Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle lithium battery in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle lithium battery to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is electric bike battery. Specifications: brand name, Mivkala. Model, Silverfish battery. Nominal capacity, 50,000 mAh. Voltage, 36 volts, 48 volts, 52 volts. Application, laptop. Type, Li-ion. Size, 390 by 80 by 110 m. Weight, 4.5 kilograms. Number 4 is R8 electric bicycle battery. Specifications: brand name, Shinpasai. Nominal capacity, 20 Ah. Voltage, 48 volts, 36 volts. Application, PDA. Model number, 13S5P. Type, Li-ion. Weight, 4 kilograms. As the item number 3, we've selected Shengmiro Ebike battery. Specifications: brand name, Shengmiro. Capacity, 2130 Ah. Voltage, 48 V. Type, lithium battery. Number 2 is Ebike battery. Specifications: brand name, Rio1. Nominal capacity, 1014 Ah. Voltage, 3648 V. Application, e-bike. Type, Li-ion. Weight, 1.7 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Hailong Ebike battery. Specifications: brand name, Ali. Model, Hailong Ebike battery. Nominal voltage, 36 volts. Peak current, 60 A. Charging method, CC/CV. Cycle life, 1000 times. Type, Li-ion.